it. Go to ZipRecruiter.com and put ZipRecruiter to work for you.
She's using my Old Spice moisturizer.